Alright, let's get this party started. I decided against doing the live stream of this because, well, you can't get nothing done while you're talking to people. So I better check to make sure this thing's recording. Yep. That would be funny. Do all this and then, yeah, somebody glue that on? What the hell? Are you kidding me? Is it metric or non-metric? Okay, that's two different sizes. Glad it's not a 10 millimeter. Ooh, way too much. Oh, that's the wrong direction. Damn it. Come on now. Hopefully all this is, in frame. Because that would suck if you guys are looking at the truck while I'm working and I'm trying to show what I'm working on. Oh, seriously. Oh man, this is really boring without music. Come on now. I don't want to have to stop and start this video 300 times because my phone's dinging. I ain't going to show you guys my phone. Whoever that is just going to have to freaking wait. Come on now. What's the deal with that? Oh, anti-seize. Nice. I hope that's not on like literally every single bolt. What the hell? See, I'm getting worried that they glued this thing together with like epoxy or something. So far I found wire brush material on the distributor when I pulled it out, and then I found a lot of stuff that came out of the oil pan. Where is my dead blow hammer? Of course it's under the truck. Why wouldn't it be? It's a good spot for it. Just waiting on that water pump to fall off. Oh, nice. Here I just made a video about how not to get water all over your garage floor. Still a little bit left in the pump. Daggone it, I need a haircut here. Held on with the center bolt. Yes, it is. Some are, some ain't. At least I got a bunch of pretty colored bolts. They did good on there. Oh, that's nasty. What the hell? They painted the inside of the engine. Why would you paint the inside of the freaking engine? Oh man, people never cease to amaze me. Why would you do that? Look at all the... Oh, that's bad. Ooh, that is gritty and got stuff in it. That's bad. Oh, yeah. A little milky there. Did they paint the inside of this one? Yeah, they did. Why wouldn't they? I mean, let's just paint the valve springs and everything. I mean, you know, everybody else does, right? Holy crap, this is going to be a nightmare to clean because now I got paint on the inside of my engine. I might just use a different set of heads because of that. Like, I don't want to mess with that. That's irritating. Got anti-seize all over me and crap. At least they use anti-seize on everything. I don't know why you'd want to do that. You're supposed to use thread sealer on most things, or oil. Not anti-seize. I don't know. Something tells me somebody shouldn't work on engines. Like whoever did that, you ain't supposed to paint the inside of the engine, man. That's bad, okay? That thing's kind of lazy. I bet you my air compressor ain't turned on. Nope. It is now. What's weird is that air compressor next door in a shed vibrates the ground enough to vibrate this concrete to rattle this building. It's really weird. Like, you can hear this rattling because of that air compressor over there. The fans over there, one of them blades is out of balance. That'll make the concrete shake too. I think that means I need better air compressors and better fans. Now these are dry, of course. Why would we put, thread sealer or anti-seize on these? That's why everything's wet with oil up here. Oh, seriously. Okay, those are all pretty clean. I'm gonna get another. Just go ahead and grab this. Actually, I don't want to drip solvent on my floor like it matters, but yeah, I'm gonna put the bolts I need to clean over there. Oh, come on with the messages. People drive me nuts on this daggone phone. I just ain't dealing with it right now. It's probably my wife though, so I should probably stop the video and check. Daggone it, I want to do this all in one cut because the camera messes up a lot. A lot. Oh man, it's gonna make me use a wrench right there. Yeah, good old Stanley freaking junk toolbox. People just don't understand when you're trying to make a video and your camera's not that great and it corrupts the file sometimes. Like, I can still upload the whole file and it's okay. I can still watch the whole file, but I can't edit it. My editing software is just like, nope. Through both GoPro Studio and I bet you I could get a wiggly on that guy right there, make him work. Where did I just put that ratchet? Oh yeah, much better. I'm really curious to see the horror show that is underneath this intake manifold. Judging by what I've seen with the pulling the distributor out, I'm a little concerned. Hopefully it's not painted on the inside of the engine under there too. I have a feeling there's paint under this manifold. I don't know though. Maybe not. Oh, that bolt wasn't even tight. I might have already loosened that. Oh, my wiggly's getting a little bit wore out. Hey, that's that's not good. Is that mud? Like, what is that right there? That is some cheap ass gaskets is what that is. Okay, so we're gonna have to obviously do a lot of cleaning on this engine. Somebody's been in here digging around. Oh, never mind. That's horrible. Yeah. Okay. 487X casting heads. Yes! Yes! That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Hardened valve seals in those. Or valve seats, I mean. Yeah, induction hardened valve seats. Same, them are 487 castings over there on the bench. These are 487X, and then I got another pair identical of those on the T-bucket engine. I love them cylinder heads. That makes me happy. I wish somebody wouldn't have painted them. That paint's wiping right off, and they wonder why the engine died. Oh no, it's just rod knocking for no reason. No, because it's circulating paint through the engine and nasty crap, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of grinding on this. It's not too bad though. Oh no, what's that? That's not good. No. It looks an awful lot like a crack in the block. Unless that's a screwdriver mark, or somebody scraped on it. There's another one right there. Somebody's dug in a screwdriver or something in there. I already say, this thing was holding water. Oh, that's just a scratch. Okay. And there is a little bit of a spot there. I think that's casting sand. Okay. Well, I think it's okay. Got some interesting stuff going on there. Whole bunch of trash getting ready to fall down in there. Okay, let's rip the heads off of it and see what it really looks like. It didn't smoke. And it held water. I mean, it did not have water in the oil. But it's been in the water. It's a mud truck. I'd say it's been underwater and got some water in it. It's got the retainers I like on it and everything. This is awesome. Daggone it. You know what? This will be part one. I gotta check my phone because that's probably my wife, and she's probably gonna get irritated if I don't answer her because she knows I always got my phone on me. We're gonna end this one here, and then I'll be right back, and we're gonna start back in on this and finish tearing this apart.